Hello everyone, my name is Mary Lagare. Today I will discuss about 10 artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding language. And now, I will show you the 10 artificial intelligence. Our first artificial intelligence is GeneCraft. GeneCraft is an AI-powered art and video generation platform that allows users to create stunning visual content simply by providing text prompts. And now, I will show you how to use GeneCraft.
Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the GenCraft AI application. To start your AI-powered creative journey, head over to gencraft.com. Here, create an account. If you have already created an account, simply log in. Once logged in, you will see a user-friendly interface ready to transform your ideas into reality. The important thing about GenCraft is the prompts you provide. These act as instructions for the AI, guiding it toward your desired vision. So try to be as descriptive and detailed as possible, using vivid language to paint a picture with words. For example, you can create a prompt like a tranquil mountain lake nestled amid towering pines with sunlight casting warm hues on the clear water. This detailed prompt guides GenCraft to project the image inside your own brain for realization. Next, head to the Advanced Settings section to change settings as per your specific needs. Here, choose a style such as realistic, anime, cyberpunk, or isometric. Select models, exclude keywords, and pick your preferred aspect ratio. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and wait for results. The generated result will be a masterpiece. And here we have it, a realistic picture of our added prompt.
Midjourney is a generative artificial intelligence program that creates images from text prompts, similar to other AI image generators like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion.
Journey AI art generator, a groundbreaking text-to-image generator so that you can use a simple text input to generate AI images and art like this, or this in just 2 minutes. It's so easy to use and absolutely free. The easiest way how to access AI Midjourney is via AI Midjourney Discord. Discord is a free communications app with tons of capability. So step 1, if you don't already have Discord, go to discord.com and either download the app for Mac or Windows or use the web version and create an account. It's nice and easy, just like this. Here we are inside Discord. Step 2 is to join the Midjourney community. So click the Add Server button on the left, then just search Midjourney. Or if you see it in the browse feed under Featured Communities, just click that. You'll see the welcome screen. You can check out the Getting Started area. I'd recommend you do that. Otherwise, just look around. Here we are inside the Midjourney server, and we just need to click Join Midjourney here because we're just in preview mode. You'll have to go through and verify that you're human. When joining Discord servers, sometimes you get stuck on this step, so just keep trying until it works. And you can see the Midjourney icon on the left, which signifies that we're now joined inside the community. Next, just ignore everything on the left-hand side and come down to the newbie newcomer room. And here is where we put in our inputs. So the first thing is to put /imagine, then put in your prompt. In this case, portrait of Egyptian goddess wielding a lightsaber, pyramids of Giza in the background, but the pyramids are taking off like spaceships, epic star-filled night sky. We'll also add in AR16:9 here. You can also add in hyper-realistic and 4K for higher resolutions. And now we press enter. So we're in the queue here, and now we're generating, and you can see that it is doing it in different stages. Gives you a readout of what percentage, and here we are, we're finished. Well, that's
Next is Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a natural language understanding or NLU platform from Google that simplifies the creation of conversational user interfaces for various applications including chatbots, voice bots, and more.
Note that the words agent, chatbot, and virtual assistant basically mean the same thing, so I'll be using these words interchangeably. So, the first step to creating a chatbot on Dialogflow is creating an agent. An agent is a virtual assistant that handles conversations with users. Your job is to design and build an agent to handle different types of conversations. For example, on Dialogflow, there are a series of pre-built agents that each have a different purpose. For example, this one looks like it'll take a coffee order, whereas this one will set an alarm for a user. To create your own agent, you simply head to the top of the page and click on Create Agent. Now I'm going to start a conversation with a pizza ordering chatbot that I made. In the series of videos right after I teach you the basics of Dialogflow, I will walk through how to build a pizza ordering chatbot similar to this one. So let's start a conversation with this pizza ordering bot and see how it really works. So let's start off with some small talk. So as you can see, when I say I'm hungry, the bot recognizes my intent, which is that I want food, and is able to come up with this response. It is able to do this because of what is known as intent.
TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a free and open source machine learning framework developed by Google Brain.
What is TensorFlow? TensorFlow is one of the most in-demand tools used by ML or AI engineers. It is an open source framework developed by Google that is used to build various machine learning and deep learning models. TensorFlow helps to train and execute neural network image recognition, natural language processing, digit classification, and much more. By using the same models that are used for development, TensorFlow facilitates the estimation of output at various scales. The main objective of using TensorFlow is not just the development of a deep neural network, but TensorFlow is focused to reduce the complexity of implementing computations on large numerical data sets. Since deep learning models require a lot of computation for attaining accuracy, companies started using TensorFlow. Subsequently, Google made TensorFlow available to all. How does TensorFlow work? One of the best things about TensorFlow is that it provides a feature that helps to create structures for machine learning models. These structures are made of data flow graphs. Data flow graphs denote the functionalities that you want to implement. It consists of a set of nodes in a well-defined order where you can specify the methods for computation. TensorFlow graph, data flow graphs also show us how data, including its functioning, moves through the graph. However, the data that you need to feed into the model should be a multi-dimensional array while using TensorFlow for your applications. These multi-dimensional arrays are known as tensors, and they are very helpful while dealing with large amounts of data. In a graph, every node represents a mathematical operation, while each connection or edge between nodes is a multi-dimensional data array. TensorFlow architecture for building models. Data pre-processing. Here, you have to prepare data for the purpose of feeding it to the model that you need to build. It includes removing duplicate values, feature scaling, standardization, and many other tasks. Model building. The next step after data pre-processing is model building, where you create your model by using various algorithms, model training and evaluation. The final step after building your model is training and evaluating it to check whether it generates accurate output or not. So that's all for this session on
Keras. Keras is a high-level neural networks API designed for humans that runs on top of various backend frameworks like TensorFlow, JAX, and PyTorch.
Is Keras. In this video, I aim to introduce Keras and explain what exactly it is. You have likely heard about it in a machine learning context, probably alongside the term TensorFlow. Keras is just an interface that allows you to easily access and customize the behemoth machine learning frameworks, including TensorFlow, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit or CNTK, and Theano. These frameworks, also known as backends, do all the heavy lifting. When importing Keras in Jupyter Notebook, it says using TensorFlow backend, an extremely popular choice for programmers. You could still technically use these frameworks on their own, however they are quite complex. As a result, many people prefer a high-level API or application user interface such as Keras to run on top of them. Keras is a great, easy way to start implementing machine learning, and specifically deep neural networks.
Plug AI. Transform your romantic interactions with Plug AI, formerly known as Wingman, the AI-powered texting and flirting assistant designed to boost your confidence and effectiveness in the game of love.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you the plug AI testing assistant how to use. So let's get started. So to use that it is very easy. First of all open the plug AI. Okay, so at here we can see it. So it is very easy to use. First of all you can buy a premium if you want. Okay, so basically it's a Riz app. You have to upload the screenshot and you can use that. Okay, because like without purchasing this premium you can't use this app. So to unlock just click on unlock and buy from here. So by this way you can do it and it's an easy way to.
PixelCat AI Photo Editor. PixelCat AI Photo Editor is a free AI-powered photo editing app that allows users to quickly and easily enhance their images with a range of features.
First of all, if you don't know what Pixel Cut is, it is basically a AI graphic designer app, or also maybe mainly used for a background removal, and it is also available both on iOS and Android. If you're an Android, you can open your Google Play Store, in the search box type in Pixel Cut and go ahead and simply download this app to the latest version. You can go ahead and simply update it after you open it. Now basically you also have two versions of Pixel Cut. One is the free version and other is the pro version. You also can do a lot of things from the free version itself, but then if you want to upgrade it, that is totally up to you. If you want to first of all log into your account, simply tap on the My Projects button at the bottom right and then tap on sign in and go ahead and simply enter your details. You could also sign in with Google or your Apple ID. I'm going to simply select Google account and then go ahead and I will simply log into my account right over here. Now basically if I tap on the create button, let's say if I actually want to remove a background from my photo on my gallery, what I could do is simply tap on the photos button. Now I'm basically going to show you to how to remove a background. Let me go ahead and simply select any of these photos right over here if you actually want to remove this background. Now in the free version you want to be very careful. You only have 10 chances to remove the background. At the top of the screen you can see 9 cutouts left. In my case I have already used the one. So this is my second cutout. I'm going to simply slide to remove the background right over here. As you can see, as I slide the background, it's going to take some time to process the cutout as well as the backgrounds, so it may take some time to process. So simply be patient and wait until the process has actually been completed. And as you can see that the background has actually been successfully removed.
Let's say is an app that uses AI to help you try on clothes virtually. I asked AI. I asked AI is a free, generative AI powered search engine that allows users to ask AI questions and receive instant, accurate answers.
Are you tired of sifting through endless search results to find what you're looking for? Say goodbye to information overload and hello to iAsk, the search engine that understands you like no other. But here is the thing, navigating through a new search engine can be daunting. You might wonder, how do I even begin to ask queries effectively? Fear not. With iAsk, asking queries is so simple. Enter your query in the search bar. Whether it's a burning question, an academic inquiry, iAsk has you covered. Select your desired filters. Choose the result length you want, whether you need a quick summary or a detailed analysis. Click iAsk AI and watch as iAsk generates tailored search results just for you. Preview the generated content. You can copy it and also share easily. Go through the links, preview the content, and find exactly what you need. Explore with confidence. With iAsk.
Lensa. Lensa AI is a photo and video editing app powered by artificial intelligence, primarily known for its magic avatars, feature that creates stylized digital portraits of users.
Hi, welcome back to the channel guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Lensa app, right? So we will just go into the Lensa mobile application here and you have to just agree to the terms and conditions, right? And here these are the features which are going to show you, right? So as you click on the next, it will show the features and very exciting features, right? So basically, let me tell you, this is a paid version of Lensa. So if you want it, you're gonna have to purchase, right? So I'll just close it right now, right? And I will just deny, and I will just close this. Now I have to just add a photo. So in the free version, you can use only 3 photos to edit, right, per day. So I'll just allow here, and I will select a photo, right? I'll just go below down here, and let's say if I select this photo, I will just import it here, and if you want to edit, just click on the photo, and that's it, right? And after that, it will load for a few seconds, and after that you can edit the photos, right? But guys, if you want to use Lensa app AI, so basically you have to click on magic avatars, and here